Hi guys, thank you for checking out my page. This is one of my first videos and I'm showing you guys how I did my DIY cocoa coffee tea bar for the holidays. I bought a lot of my items from Ross, HomeGoods, actually Dollar Tree, and Target. For me personally, wafers and cocoa taste really, really good together. I purchased the wafers from Ross for about $4.99, I believe. And oh my gosh, they taste really good with the marshmallow Swiss hot cocoa, which I got from the dollar store for $1. The 4-piece battery operated candle set, it's actually on a timer, and I purchased it from Ross for $19.99. I wanted to add something to the bar that I could keep over and beyond the holidays. And there's only one candle here, but you'll see how I have the others displayed in a later video. The snow day sign was purchased from Michael's for $10. If my video was of any use to you, please hit the like button down below and click subscribe so that you can see future videos. Thanks.